Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete business account on Facebook. Need to delete a Facebook business fan or theme page that you manage? It's easy. In this guide, I will teach you how to delete Facebook page using your Facebook mobile app on your Android. First, tap the menu in the Facebook mobile app. It's the upper right corner on Android or the lower right corner on iPhone. This displays your profile menu. You'll need to be the admin of a page to delete it. You can reclaim admin rights to the page if needed. Then, tap the down arrow next to your name. This displays a list of the pages you manage. Now, tap the page you want to delete. This will switch your profile to the page you selected. And tap the menu in the top right or bottom right. This time, the menu for your page will open. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. It's near the bottom of the profile menu. And select Settings. Scroll down and tap Access and Control. It's under the Your Information header. And tap Deactivation and Deletion. Choose whether to deactivate or delete your page. If you want to be able to reactivate your Facebook page at any time, select Deactivate Page. To delete your page permanently, select Delete Page. Delete your Facebook page, tap Continue, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deletion or deactivation process. Once your page is deleted, you can reactivate it and cancel the deletion within 30 days. You'll be prompted to confirm your Facebook password before your page will be deleted. You can easily cancel the deletion of the page if you're still within the deletion period. Tap the three menu from your main Facebook profile. Go to the Settings and Privacy, Settings, Access and Control, and Reactivation, then tap Reactivate. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.